curious about gut health, especially term leaky gut and the buzz around fermented foods? You're in the right place. Your gut houses more bacteria than stars in the Milky Way. Fermented foods, ancient methods of preservation, are key players in gut health. They provide beneficial bacteria, which positively influence our mood and immunity. If these facts have piqued your interest, want to know more about the frequency of inclusion of fermented foods in your diet? So what exactly is leaky gut, and why should it concern you? Let's unravel this. Leaky gut, scientifically known as increased intestinal permeability, is a condition where the lining of the small intestine becomes damaged. This damage allows undigested food particles, toxic waste products, and bacteria to leak through the intestines and flood the bloodstream. The symptoms can be quite varied and may include digestive issues, skin problems like acne or eczema, chronic fatigue, food allergies, and even mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. It's a bit like having a gate with holes in it. Things that aren't supposed to get through do, causing havoc in your system. But what causes it, you ask? Several factors may contribute, including a poor diet, chronic stress, toxin overload from our environment, or even bacterial imbalance, to name a few. The reason why it should concern you is that this condition can play a significant role in your overall health and well-being. It's not just about having an upset stomach. It can lead to a cascade of health issues, including autoimmune diseases, mental health problems, and even an increased risk for heart disease. It is essential to prevent and manage leaky gut, not just for our gut's health, but for our overall well-being. Now that we've understood what leaky gut is, let's dive into how fermented foods can come to your rescue. Fermented foods might be your gut's best friend, but why is that so? Well, these superfoods are filled to the brim with probiotics or good bacteria. They work to balance the gut flora, improving digestion and bolstering the immune system. Fermented foods have been a part of the human diet for thousands of years. They were traditionally used as a means of preserving food, but today we know they offer so much more. When we consume fermented foods, we're not just nourishing our bodies, we're also feeding our gut's microbial inhabitants. So how do fermented foods help heal a leaky gut? Imagine your gut lining as a barrier. In a healthy gut, this barrier lets in nutrients and blocks out toxins. But with leaky gut, this barrier becomes compromised, allowing toxins to seep into the bloodstream. The good bacteria from fermented foods can help repair this barrier, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Let's take a look at some fermented foods and their specific benefits. First up, we have yogurt. This popular breakfast choice is rich in probiotics, particularly lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which are known to improve digestive health and boost immunity. Next, we have kimchi, a spicy Korean dish made from fermented cabbage and other vegetables. It's not just a flavor bomb, it's also packed with the beneficial bacteria Lactobacillus kimchi. And then there's kombucha, a fizzy fermented tea that's become a hipster favorite. It contains a variety of probiotics and antioxidants, making it a great choice for gut health. Don't forget about sauerkraut, a type of fermented cabbage that's a staple in German cuisine. It's rich in dietary fibers, vitamin C, and probiotic bacteria, all of which contribute to a healthy gut. Clearly, fermented foods have a crucial role to play in maintaining a healthy gut. We explored the concept of leaky gut, a harmful scenario where damage to the lining of the small intestine allows undigested food particles, toxic waste, and bacteria to seep into your bloodstream, potentially harming your health. But there's no need to fret, as fermented foods appear like a knight in shining armor. Delicacies like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, kombucha, miso, teeming with friendly bacteria or probiotics, work wonders in balancing your gut flora, bolstering your immune system, and repairing the gut lining. We underscored the need to integrate these fermented powerhouses into our everyday meals, noting that not only mend leaky gut but also boost overall gut health, enhancing digestion, nutrient absorption, and immunity. Always bear in mind, taking care of your gut health is paramount for upholding your general well-being. Stay healthy and subscribe to know more healthy tips.